Training is changing fast. Classrooms don't cut it anymore. Remote teams, mobile learners, and tight timelines. We need training that moves just as fast. Think about it. What worked yesterday might already be outdated today. So, what's the solution? It's rapid e-learning, powered by the 4 Rs: redesign, record, rebuild, republish. Let's keep it simple. Redesign. That's all about turning classroom training into online learning, like e-learning or VILT. Record. Instead of waiting on busy SMEs, we capture their input through interviews or calls and turn it into training. Rebuild. Long courses? No one has time. Rebuild means turning them into microlearning, short, focused, and easy to apply. Republish. Got old flash based courses? Republish updates them for modern devices with fresh design and compatibility. These 4 Rs help you move fast, stay flexible, and deliver great training without starting from scratch. Let me give you a quick real world example. A global energy company needed to train their managers fast. We used the 4 Rs. Learners started with short e-learning modules to build foundational knowledge. They joined live virtual sessions, starting with deep dives and ending with collaborative skill building in breakout rooms. Everything was covered: e-learning, slides, facilitator guides, and hands-on worksheets. The result? Faster deployment, stronger engagement, and better outcomes. That's what rapid e-learning makes possible. Redesign, record, rebuild, republish. Train fast, train smart, train right.